everyone, how are you? Today's my cooking is instant curry rice with Fukujinzuke. Ingredients: rice 140 gram, a pack of instant curry soup 170 gram, Fukujinzuke, sliced vegetables pickled in soy sauce 10 gram, a pack of curry soup 170 gram. This is leftovers of miso soup. This is Fukujinzuke. How to make steamed rice or boiled rice. 1. Wash rice 140 gram for 1 person. 2. Add the rice in an electric rice cooker with water 140 gram. 3. Switch on the rice cooker. It's going to stop automatically when boiled rice has been done. How to cook instant curry soup. 1. Heat a pack of curry soup 170 in a microwave range for about 2 minutes. Serve the curry soup and Fukujinzuke on the top of boiled rice. That's all for cooking this evening. This is rice cooker. Boiled rice has been done. Just keep it warm. Now heat a pack of curry soup in the microwave range. Now serve the curry soup on the top of boiled rice. And serve Fukujinzuke on the top of the rice, steamed rice. Heat the miso soup leftovers in the microwave range. No, before heating, wrap the bowl. Then heat it in the microwave range.